Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new, please subscribe and join our food salad family. Today we'll be making very simple and easy recipe chicken salad sandwich. Let's get started. We need 3 cups boiled or grilled chicken cut in cubes, 4 boiled eggs cut in cubes, half cup green onion. In a big bowl, first add in chicken, then boiled eggs, 1/4 cup chopped celery or green onion, 3 tablespoons almonds, 1/4 cup parsley, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon mustard powder or Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoon lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon freshly chopped basils or cilantro, and 3/4 cup mayonnaise, and salt to taste. Mix it well until the mayonnaise completely coats the chicken. Add in half teaspoon paprika powder. Give it a quick mix. As you can see, our chicken salad is ready. Isn't it quick? Now, let's prepare the sandwich. I spread some butter on 2 toasted wheat breads and then I added a thick layer of chicken salad. Top it off with some lettuce and your sandwich is ready. I cut it diagonally, but you can cut it any way you like. Our quick and simple chicken salad sandwich is ready and served. Please do try it at home and let me know how it turned out. Comment down below what is your favorite sandwich. Please subscribe for more simple and unique recipes. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.